Hi, I'm Aura Parker. I'm an author and illustrator of children's books. Here's my new book. It's called MEERKAT SPLASH. It's full of lots of very cheeky meerkats who are ready for a big crazy bath time. There's lots of bubbles and lots of fun. And I thought I would show you how to draw one of my meerkat characters. Here's one. This is Meerkat Red. So I always loved meerkats. I love the way they stand really tall, sort of up to attention. So we're going to try and capture that in this drawing. The first shape I'm going to do very tall up on the page is that little kick over my meerkat's nose, and then just lightly figure out where its head's going to go. Probably go a bit bigger than that. My meerkat's eye, it's going to be a box. You can see how that's a box, and then we go over, because I didn't draw the first one quite to the corners, rounded corners. I'm going to shade that in nice and dark. It's going to be my meerkat eye. And here's my meerkat nose up here. Let's just put the back of his little head in. And the bottom of his chin, put a little shape for his nose. You can leave a little bit of white shine there. I'm going to put a little blob, which is going to be his ear. Shade that as well. So, meerkat is lovely. It's skinny and tall, with a little body standing up straight. So I'm going down here, blocking in little meerkat feet, and I want to make it darker on the end of his feet. So I'm just doing some extra shading there, and down the side of his body, let's do some shading. And he needs a little happy little meerkat mouth. And here's an eyeball. A nice round shape, and you can leave a little white spot in the middle, like a little glint. Like a little glint in his eye. So next thing you do is little hands go like that. They're kind of in the middle. They're not right up here, they're down here. His little long neck. Little hands go like that. I'm just going to put a bit of shading dark on the end of those hands. There you go, you've got your meerkat. Needs one more thing. Nice curly tail. There you go. You can always pause this if it's going too fast. And give your little meerkat a little bit of hair. Looks cute, little bits of hair on, especially on the end of the tail. A little bit of fuzz. And on his body. Yeah, the furry meerkat. And just soften that. There you go. Ta-da! Meerkat from MEERKAT SPLASH. Thank you.